Hey naturals, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another interesting video. Please click on the subscription button if you're new, and also on the notification button so you'll be notified on our future uploads. In today's video, I share a DIY hairspray for hair growth and thickness. This treatment softens hair and also moisturizes hair, leaving your hair shinier and more beautiful. If your hair is bald, this will do wonders to the bald area, and if your hair is thin, this will thicken it. And also, if your hair is in protective style, please don't joke with this. Use it 2 to 3 times weekly, and after taking down your protective style, you'll be amazed at your results. Without wasting much time, let's get to it. So to begin, grab a jar like so. It could be bowl, it could be anything at all. So my very first ingredient is dried rosemary leaves. Stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, thus encouraging hair growth. It cleanses your hair. Due to the antibacterial quality, it gently cleanses hair, and also it increases shine. Also, it relieves irritated, dry, flaky, dandruff-ridden scalp. For the proportion, I measured out 1 tablespoon of that into the jar. Moving on to my next ingredient, which is bay leaves. Bay leaves is loaded with antioxidants that can help you smoothen your hair. Also fights bacterial and fungal infections of the scalp. Bay leaves also fight dandruff and itchy scalp. They work wonderfully well to tackle dandruff and itchy scalp. So this is an amazing ingredient. They can also help with hair regrowth, especially those of us that have problem with balding. So this can help you so well. Moving on to the next ingredient, which is hibiscus. We've been raving hibiscus on this channel, so you guys already know that this helps with hair thickness and also moisture. So for the proportion, I used 1 teaspoon. Moving on, I boiled some water to 100 degrees Celsius. So I measured out 500 ml worth of hot water into our ingredients in the jar. So I stirred that with my stirring rod, covered up with foil paper. If you could notice, you will know that this jar came with plastic lid, which I didn't use to cover this up. I used foil paper instead. Opt for foil paper instead of the plastic lid because it's better than that. So after infusing for 12 whole hours, this is my result. I went ahead and sieved with my strainer and a bowl to collect my hairspray. I know you want to click out. Please do not click out because I have some more information towards the end of those videos. So moving on, my next ingredient is castor oil. I just added about half a teaspoon of castor oil. You guys already know that castor oil thickens hair. The major benefit is hair thickness. So I went ahead and added some preservatives because I wanted this to last more than 5 days. If you're not using preservatives, please go ahead and store this in your refrigerator for only 5 days. And after 5 days, this goes rancid. Discard and make a fresh batch. For the preservatives, I added that in 1%, and the name of the preservative used is Optifine. I always use it on this channel, so most of you that have been here from my day ones already know about this preservatives. Is safe and is perfect for use. So I transfer all of that into my spray bottle. So if you don't have spray bottle, please use your body spray bottles, wash them thoroughly and sterilize. Use that for your hairsprays. So I will go ahead and use that to moisturize my hair. I have something very important to tell you guys. Whenever you're using any hair tea made on this channel, if you're to leave that in just as this one, this is actually a leave-in spray. If you're to use it in, if you're to leave it in, make sure to apply moisturizers. After spraying that in your hair, using that to saturate your hair strands, please go ahead with a moisturizer. The moisturizer that I'm using in this video is from Cantu Leave-In Conditioner. I love to use it a lot because my hair loves Cantu. Is actually water-based leave-in conditioner and is lightweight. My hair is fine. Basically, I have fragile hair. Fine hair basically means fragile hair. So I love to use this leave-in conditioner, or basically any leave-in conditioner that is lightweight. I love it so much. So after applying that, I sealed in all that moisture with my hair growth oil. Please note that oils are not moisturizers, they are called sealants. Sealant in itself, sealant in the sense that they seal in all the moisture, helping the moisture you have in your hair not to escape. Just in case you're wondering, the video for this oil that I'm using to seal this moisture, check my last video, my last 2 videos. I just dropped the video. That's basically what I'm using to seal this. You must not use hair growth oil to seal in moisture. You can use your hair butter cream. I've shared enough on this channel. Please check my other videos for it. I recently shared 2 hair butters, 2 recipes on hair butters. Please go ahead and use that to seal in all your moisture. There are basically 2 methods you can use to moisturize your hair, either LOC or LCO. LOC is liquid, oil and cream. Liquid comes first, which is the spray. Oil comes second, which is hair growth oil or hair butter cream. And then your leave-in, which is the cream, comes last. For my method, I'm using LCO. That is, my L, which is my hairspray, comes first. Second is my cream, which is my leave-in conditioner, the candle you saw me use. And then lastly, my hair growth oil. That doesn't mean that I cannot use butter to seal. Hair growth oil or hair butter cream, whichever rocks your boat, use that to seal in your moisture. Before I digress, I don't want to hear that your hair is drying out from using hair teas. That's because you're making a lot of mistakes. The only time that you will use hair tea and you will not apply moisturizers is if you're using the hair tea as a tea rinse. That is, after shampooing your hair, you deep condition. After deep condition, you use that to saturate your hair, and then afterwards you rinse and proceed for this method that I'm using right now, that is moisturizing your hair before putting it in protective style. So basically, you ought to use leave-in conditioning cream whenever you're leaving in your hair tea in your hair. I don't know if you understand my explanations. Let me know in the comment section. I can still explain further. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you watched the video up to this point, kindly comment hi for your girl in the comment section below. That will help me ascertain the number of you that are actually following. Thank you so much, and I'll see you shortly.